I work at Chang's. I've been working here for 3 years. My main job is to roll sushi, like this California roll that I just did. Get rolling. Okay, so first we're going to take our 4 ounces of rice, of sushi rice, and we're going to flatten it down to a rectangle shape. So pretty much you just want to squish it around until it looks like a rectangle. And then we're going to take our nori sheet. This is a half seaweed. We're going to do it on the rough side. We're going to put that on our sushi rice so it sticks and doesn't fall off. Just like that. And we're going to squish the rice a little bit to make it look prettier. And then we're going to flip it over so we can put our sesame seeds and our chives on it. And then after that, we're just going to flip it right back over. So this is a California roll, so it gets avocados and cucumbers and it gets our crab mix. And we want to flatten everything out as evenly as possible in the middle of the nori sheet so that when we roll, nothing will fall out. We're going to start by folding our sushi mat halfway, and we're going to tuck as much as we can so that when our sushi mat touches our nori sheet, that means our roll is closed. We're going to move this little piece so you can see how much of our sushi rice is touching the nori, and then we're just going to roll it closed. Just like that. I take it in my hands and I kind of squish it around just so this rice sticks to the other side. It's a little bit messy sometimes. And just like that, we have our roll. So the ends kind of look messy, so I put it to the end of the mat, I fold it over, and I just squish it down. Just like that. And I do it to both sides. And there's our California roll.